Hello internets, this is Ran from Ran and I'm going to give you the unboxing of the Nendoroid Iron Man. So first off, let's get into the details of the box first. So as you can see from the camera, it's very shiny. The light reflects on it. It's kind of like a foil type of boxing. So yeah, it's very shiny. You can see the reflection. So here's the back. You can see the many poses that you can do with him. You can see there's a faceplate too. This is the right side when his is open. So yeah, it's the same thing that you can see in the back and left side. So shiny. I actually like the box. And here is the insides. So yeah, there's a little backdrop there, I think, from the view of the city. Instruction kits and most of his blasters. So since we're gonna talk about the box first, just like I said, it's a shiny box, and this is a normal Nendo box. So this is my box for Gakpo. So it's shiny because, you know, the light still reflects it, but you can't see where your reflection, unlike in this one. See, I can see my hand. Ooh, I can't do that here. Maybe my shadow, a glimpse of a bit, but not here. Okay, so let's put Gakpo's box here, and we'll proceed on opening it. Oh, I kind of like opening it from the bottom. No, it's just a habit. Okay. So let's go. Oh, it's kind of hard. So just like any Nendoroid series, it has the... Oh, let me turn off the light a bit. There we go. So it has the little paper that says what kind of parts it has. So I should be getting parts from A to T. So there's a lot of parts. Okay, there's something at the back, so it's just everything's in front. Let's put that up here. And okay, so that was a bit brutal, but okay, we're gonna put that here. So it has the stand. It actually has two. Let me open it for you. It has two supports. Maybe it's for one that's when he's flying. He has to be like so high up the Stark's city, the Stark's tower, and the other might be for like the normal when he's standing. Oh, it's hard to open this. I'm gonna just use scissors. Easy. Okay, so just like any other Nendo user, I keep the plastics. So there are a lot of parts. So there's this. It's the grabby one. It's like a crane. So it's not a ring. Maybe it's for his hips, I guess. And the thing that you are going to stick. This little peg. Okay, what else do we have? Of course, the base itself, and the long one that I was telling you about when he might be flying. Stick that here. And then the short one when you just want him to stand. Put here. There we go. And this one, we put it here. Nope, I don't think so. You're supposed to put it there. So I don't know where you're gonna put this one. Maybe I'll discover it later. Just put it here so it won't get lost. Okay, next We got a little suction cup here. Okay, it's on there. Maybe this goes... Yeah, it most definitely goes here, the suction. It's like a beacon. It's like a little satellite. So friends of the base will just be chilling out here. We'll go to the other base that he has. It's like an eagle view from the city. Got a lot of buildings there. See, there's writings there, made in China. And we have the Stark Tower, which I think goes here. There we are. So that's a small building with the Stark Tower, and we'll touch Iron Man later. Oops. Yeah. Okay, which is nice. Okay, so since these are a lot of small parts, they actually put another plastic over it, so we have to take that off gently, please. I don't want any to bounce off. Okay. We have. And then take this little guy out first. Open here, because it's really hard to take. So these are the rest of his hands. So it's just So he's got one palm open without the wait, sorry, it's not. Okay, there it is. Open without the pew pew. Put that here. We got the fist. We got the other fist. And another hand without the pew pew. Okay, so we've already got the parts. These are a lot of small parts. So I suggest you buy one of those. I mean, if you're not gonna keep them in the box, you gotta find one of those 3 for $99 store, which are like organizers. I'm just gonna show you this one later. So let's get to the Nendoroid on topic. So he's nestled in this little plastic. Okay, we're gonna keep the plastic, tuck it in here, and as I've heard, you can actually make him stand on his own, which is what I'm gonna try to do. Yay! Yeah, look at that, he's standing all on his own. Okay, so he has a lot of parts, which is really nice because you can bend him almost. See, like other Nendoroids you can't. And see, you bend his arms and his feet. You can take off his feet because there's plastic there. That means you can take it off. And on his chest, there's plastic there too. I bet you can make him kneel. Yes, you can. You can make him kneel like that. And then let's see what's under the mask. How do I take this without damaging it? My nails are pretty long and my hands are sweaty, so it's kind of giving me a hard time. Took off his... Oh, okay. Took off his head. This is so hard. I'm gonna take a little break too. Ah, there it is. So this is little Tony's head. Oh my god, he's bald. Okay, so the head is magnetized, I guess. Yes, it is. So you can put it here and it will fall off. So just like my other friends who ordered this said, the magnet's pretty weak. So just flip it. See? I've seen other Nendoroids that use magnet, and it's not as weak as this. For the owners of the K-On drummer that I like, the magnet of her little bump on the head is pretty strong and it's pretty heavy than this one. But it still works. I mean, you're not gonna actually make him fly, so. Let's see what other Nendoroids we can switch his face with. Okay, so since I think you can detach his face. Oh, okay, how am I supposed to do that? Carefully. I'm so scared. Okay, so I can detach his. He has a lot of parts. Then you take off the face. Ugh. You can take this off too. And you take off his head. Please don't break. Ooh. His ear! His ear is on there. I bet you can take these ones off too. Oh, this is really turning into a challenge. Oh, okay, that's what I don't like. So can you focus? Okay, focus there, camera. As you can see here, since it's been inside that, he has a little red skid mark there, and a skid mark here. Okay, so that's what I don't like. So I think I can take off his ear. So I'm just gonna try not to massacre this. It's really hard. I mean, like, it's a good Nendo, but he is sort of brittle. Wow. I'm going to take it off. Okay, I got him off. So it's kind of scary because it's not really a hard, strong, flexible plastic. It's so brittle that you see these little pegs here that go here at the side of the ear. They are so hard to take off. I mean, if you have sweaty hands like me. That's what I don't like about this figure right now. Okay, so you only need to take one ear off. So that's the inside. Here. That's where I took the ear off. And this is Tony's faceplate. So I'm just gonna put him here, and let's get my favorite one. Let's drink coffee. I got a big organizer right here. I bought it for $2, I guess, from the local grocery store. Let's get my favorite. This is actually my favorite faceplate. I mean, among all the Nendoroids I have, I only have 2 though. So this is my favorite. This is Gakpo. So we're gonna put Gakpo's head inside. Yeah, it's gonna be hard. So, like when I said before, the ear thing. Snaps. Gotta be careful with this. This is actually very taxing right now. It's a hard Nendoroid to put together. But if it's for the fun, right? There it is. There. Okay, no. I'll just put it later. So, as you can see, you can change the heads. Haha, so it's half Iron Man. So that is the unboxing. Since he has a faceplate, you can do a lot of things with it. People on the internet have done a lot of crazy things with it, like put him in on other bodies, which I'm going to do for the photo shoot later. So as you can see, here's one of the I think exclusive limited editions, a Nendoroid that you should have. It's fun to play with. There's a lot of flexibility in the Nendoroid. But what would frustrate you would be the head, because there's a lot of parts and the plastic is not that hard, unlike the one they use for their faces or the one for their hands. So maybe for that you're just gonna have a little frustration, but all in all, it's a good Nendoroid. So thank you for watching the unboxing and dismantling of Iron Man Nendoroid, and I'll see you again for my next review. Thanks.